Welcome to another episode of our Digital Accessibility series. Today, we're demonstrating Camera Mouse and Dynamic Keyboard. Camera Mouse allows you to control your keyboard's mouse just by moving your head. When used alongside Dynamic Keyboard and on-screen keyboard, it allows users with physical disabilities to navigate a computer's interface without lifting a finger. Let's see these tools in action. We're using Camera Mouse and Dynamic Keyboard on our legal kiosk to start the e-filing process for legal documents. If you're unable to use a mouse, there's a feature that allows you 5 seconds to position your head so the green square locks in place. As you can see here, Camera Mouse works by tracking a green square on your face. When you move your head, the mouse pointer moves too. In Camera Mouse, you can click by holding the mouse pointer over an area on the screen for a set amount of time. So this is called dwell time. As you control the cursor with your head, pausing over something will count as a click. You'll see that I'm trying to move my head gently to control the cursor. Once Dynamic Keyboard is open, you're going to see 2 arrows at the top corners of the screen. The top left arrow is for accessing the keyboard, and the top right arrow lets you switch between open applications. You'll see that I've opened up the top left arrow to open the keyboard. The keyboard has 5 boxes, each with 5 letters. In the middle, there's a semicircle that shows suggested words. When you're done typing, press Enter to finish. If you want to close the keyboard, click the top left arrow again. For more information about our accessibility services or our legal kiosks, check out our website at goa2jtech.com.